approach. We will be touching down in a few minutes. Please make sure that your seat belts are securely fastened for landing. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparan pagdaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Ang oras po ay 17 minuto ang makalipas sa ikalawa ng hapon. Tayo po ipatungo sa NAIA Terminal 4 Domestic Airport para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari nyo kunin yung hand-carried baggage kapag ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto. Sa ngalan Kapitan Ramos, Unang Official Al Carrioto, the buong ZES Air Crew, nagagalak po kaming nakapaglingkod sa inyo. Sana po inasihan kayo sa inyong liwatit na asahan po naming magkikita po tayong muli. Maraming salamat po at maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. We have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The time now 17 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. We're now taxiing towards the Terminal 4 Domestic Airport for your proper disembarkation. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs are switched off. For safety reasons, please do not remove your hand-carried baggage from stowage until the aircraft comes to a full stop. Before deplaning, just check your seat pockets, your sitting area, and overhead bins for any carried item you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Ramos, First Officer Al Carioto and the entire ZES Air crew, thank you for making ZES Air part of your day. It has been a pleasure serving you. We hope you enjoyed your flight and see you again soon in one of our future flights. Have a pleasant stay here.